Agrometal Carrión is a family-owned company dedicated to the industrial, agricultural and livestock sectors. With over 20 years of tradition and experience in the design and construction of poultry houses throughout Spain, our main value is our commitment to excellence in every poultry house we build. Agrometal Carrión is currently being run by the fourth generation, which consists of a young and experienced team in all areas of the business. Its objective is to promote business growth by modernizing production processes, attracting new talents, investing in innovation, and expanding into new markets, both nationally and internationally. At Agrometal Carrión, we have innovative technology that allows us to optimally and efficiently implement the different phases of our construction projects, such as laser cutting, folding, and robotic welding. We are committed to a sustainability plan, which is why we have equipped our facilities with a certified paint booth to reduce emissions of volatile pollutants. Our vision as a company is centered on adding value to society by providing work, wealth, and environmental sustainability. We are leaders in the construction of livestock farms and specialists in poultry housing. We offer agile and efficient solutions to livestock farmers and businessmen, providing each of our customers with a quality finished product. Agrometal Carrión has more than 15 projects underway simultaneously, including the most important constructions carried out in the last 20 years in the poultry sector. We develop projects of different sizes, from small farms to large-scale construction projects for the most renowned integrators and business groups in the sector. Agrometal Carrión's responsiveness is guaranteed by a team of more than 60 professionals on the staff, with different on-site work teams, as well as a technical team made up of architects, engineers, and quantity surveyors who carry out the optimum design of the projects, ensuring that the farms of our clients are as efficient and profitable as possible. The new challenges of the current globalized market push us at Agrometal Carrión to seek continuous improvement in all our processes. To achieve this, we have developed a patented construction system, being the only builders with this optimum, efficient, and profitable production process for poultry farms. Our goal, the satisfaction of our customers. Our greatest commitment, our passion for a job well done. Agrometal Carrión